learned to swim, I was in college na eh. I was in the dragon boat team. And I was with the national dragon boat team for a couple years. And a lot of my friends there. Maliit pa kasi yung multi-sport community as they call it. So halos everybody does na mga biking and running and swimming. Makakilala na yan lahat. Tapos nainggit talaga ako sa friends ko na nagta-triathlon. It seemed really impossible to me kasi parang wow. Sinasabi pa nila yung time nila na, matatapos mo yun ng ganun tagal? Parang ako whole day siguro. This was in 2005. Kaya, and then, si Jojo yung nakikita ko kasi siya sa mga adventure races, if you're familiar, 'di ba? Yung may mga kung ano-ano mga challenge, climbing, mountain biking.
And kami yung always champion.
Tapos, siya lang yung unang tao na nagsabi sa akin na madali lang mag-triathlon kahit sino pwede. Tapos ako parang, okay. Tapos first time ko lang narinig yun. So, nag-train, lagi niya ako sinasamahan mag-training kasi may gusto siya sa akin. Iyon, and as in ang lousy ko talaga mag-swim. My first triathlon na standard distance here sa Subic in 2006. Umahon ako ng water, kasabay ko like 60-year-old guy na nagbe-breaststroke. Ako nagpupumilit mag-freestyle, pero kasabay ko lang yung nagbe-breaststroke. Ang pangit-pangit ko talaga. But from there, parang nakikita ko kasi, ba't siya kaya niya? Ba't siya kaya niya? So, chinaga ko lang. And yung isang length ng 50 meters sa pool, di ko talaga siya matapos dati. And then, who knew na, like last year, manalo ako ng Ironman 70.3 sa Filipina Elite. Yeah, and yun na. And I love training with the Trimac team din kasi parang I really see myself in them na ganyan din ako before. Tapos yung mga drama nila na, ano ba ang hirap? Yung mga ganun, hindi ko yung kaya. Tapos ako din yan dati. You just have to, take it one day at a time diba? Kasi yun din, that's what keeps you hooked is isipin mo where we came from. Dati, yung workout, iisipin mo, dati yung track workout ko, ito lang yung time. Or dati yung swim workout ko, ito lang yung nagagawa ko when you look back. Tapos ngayon, wow, natatapos ko na siya. So, sobrang huge feeling of accomplishment yung from nothing, tas may nagawa ka ng something. Hindi kailangang 42K marathon, hindi kailangang Ironman triathlon. You have your right na tawaging achievement ko yun and be proud of it.